Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. My name is Jennifer, and today I'm going to teach you the difference between there, and there. This is one of the most common mistakes I see all over the internet. So the words there, and there are often confused because they are pronounced the same way. However, they have very different meanings and uses. So we're going to learn the difference between them in this lesson. And at the end of the lesson, we'll have a 10-question quiz. So there, T-H-E-R-E, is used to refer to a place. As an adverb, there means in or at that place. For example, I don't want to go to the cinema tonight. I went there last week. In this example, there refers to the place. It refers to the cinema. He's going to India next year. Have you been there? Again, there is referring to India, to that place. There is also used as a pronoun that introduces the subject of a sentence or clause. For example, there are a lot of girls in my class. There has been a mistake. There weren't any dinner reservations made tonight. Now, there, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive adjective that refers to something belonging to a person or group of people. So I'm sure you know the other possessive adjectives. For example, my dog. The dog belongs to me. Your dog. The dog belongs to you. His dog, her dog, its dog, our dog, their dog. The dog belongs to them. Now, usually and in the past, there generally refers to a group of people, to two or more people. However, you can also use there when you're not sure of the gender of the person you're talking about. And nowadays in 2023, some people prefer to use the pronoun there instead of his or her. So that's just something I want you to be aware of because it is a complicated issue right now for English learners. So let's look at some examples. My parents live in Boston. Their house is really big. So the house that belongs to my parents, to two different people. The students forgot their textbooks in the classroom. So there means the textbooks that belong to the students. Now let's look at an example of when there can refer to one person. Dave's friend is coming to the party and bringing their dog. So let's say I don't know if Dave's friend is a male or female. I could say their dog because I don't know if I should say his dog or her dog. So in this case, sometimes we use there to refer to someone when we don't know their gender. Okay, so there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is a contraction of they are. It is usually used to describe something that multiple people are doing or feeling. So, for example, the children are hungry. They're also thirsty. This means they are also thirsty. They're watching TV right now. They are watching TV right now. And again, my last example about Dave's friend. This is an example when you might use they for one person. Dave's friend is coming to the party. They're bringing their dog. So I don't know if Dave's friend is a male or female. So I'm just going to say there until I know. Okay? Again, this is a hot topic in 2023, but this channel is not political. It's just about talking about English, and I just want you to be aware that you might hear that nowadays in 2023. Okay, now it's time for our quiz. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct there. Number 1. Is this luggage? The correct answer is their, T-H-E-I-R. Is this their luggage? The luggage that belongs to them. Number 2. I left my keys on the counter over. The correct answer is there, T-H-E-R-E, because we're referring to a place, over there. There is the opposite of here. So I am here, you are there, over there. Number 3. Is a great restaurant near my house. We should try it. The correct answer is there. Here we are using there as a pronoun to introduce the subject. Number 4. Listening to classical music upstairs. The correct answer is T-H-E-Y''re. They are listening to classical music. Number 5. Going to be late for the meeting if they don't leave soon. The correct answer is T-H-E-Y''re, the contraction there for they are. Number 6. Are so many different things to do in this city. The correct answer is there, T-H-E-R-E. There are so many different things to do in this city. Number 7. Family has been living in that house for generations. The correct answer is their, T-H-E-I-R, their family, the family that belongs to them. We're talking about someone's family, their family. Number 8, the student said, bored and need a water break. The correct answer is the contraction there, T-H-E-Y''re. They are bored. We're talking about how the students feel. Now, number 9 and 10 are a little more difficult. You have to fill in the blanks with 2. All really talented musicians, and band is becoming more popular every day. The correct answer is the contraction there. They are all really talented musicians, and their band, the band that belongs to them, is becoming more popular every day. And finally, number 10. No way going to finish that project on time. The correct answer is there's no way. So T-H-E-R-E''s. There's no way they're, the contraction there for they are, going to finish that project on time. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10 and if you found this difficult. And if you have any other questions about how to use any of these words, feel free to ask me in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more lessons like this one, and I'll see you in my next video.